Join me as I challenge myself to break free from my bad money habits and transform my financial life for good. Bad money habits can be incredibly destructive, silently draining our bank accounts and stealing our financial peace of mind. They can lead to debt, stress, and a sense of hopelessness. But the good news is that these habits can be broken, and financial freedom is within our reach. Impulse buying, lack of budgeting, and ignoring savings are just a few examples of bad money habits that can wreak havoc on our finances. We've all been there, walking into a store with a clear plan to buy one thing, only to leave with several bags and a lighter wallet. Or scrolling through social media, feeling like we need that new gadget or trendy outfit just because everyone else seems to have it. The truth is, we're not alone in this struggle. Many of us struggle to create and stick to a budget, often because it feels restrictive or overwhelming. And when it comes to saving, we might put it off, thinking we'll start tomorrow or next month. But tomorrow often turns into next year, and before we know it, we're facing a financial emergency with no safety net. These habits can be tough to recognize and even tougher to change, but it's essential to acknowledge their impact on our financial well-being. Our spending habits are often tied to our emotions, self-worth, and even childhood experiences. We might use shopping as a way to celebrate or cope with stress, or we might feel like we deserve a treat because we've been working hard. Whatever the reason, understanding the psychology behind our spending patterns is crucial to making lasting changes. I want to share a powerful story with you, a story of someone who broke free from their bad money habits and transformed their financial life. Sarah, a single mom in her mid-30s, was drowning in debt and living paycheck to paycheck. She realized that her habits were not only hurting her financially, but also affecting her relationships and overall happiness. Sarah took control of her finances, created a budget, and started saving aggressively. She also started a side hustle to increase her income, and within a year, she paid off her debt and built a safety net. Sarah's story is a testament to the fact that we all have the power to change our financial trajectory. Impulse spending, lack of budgeting, and ignoring savings might seem like harmless habits, but they can have a profound impact on our financial health. Recognizing these patterns and making a conscious effort to change them is the first step towards financial freedom. By understanding the psychological aspects behind our spending habits and taking actionable steps towards change, we can break free from the cycle of debt and stress. Thanks for watching, and if you're ready to share your own experiences with bad money habits, please leave a comment below. And if you're looking for more tips on personal finance, be sure to check out my video on budgeting for beginners. The link is in the description box.